Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
Welcome to another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're camped on Wiradjuri country and we're going to have a go at turning the FJ into a Japanese restaurant. We're making Chicken Katsu Udon noodles. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. And here's a list you can screenshot for later. Now let's get started. First thing you're going to do is rehydrate some seaweed and leave it aside for a few hours. If you're wondering where to get this, you can usually find it at your local Asian grocery store. Then, cook the chicken in the oven. I put these in on full heat for about 45 minutes. While you're waiting for that, go and enjoy camp. It was a nice day, so we thought we'd go on a Jimny adventure. Now it's time to make the soup element of the dish. Add 2 cups of water to a bowl, and then add 2 dashi packets. The ones I'm using are Shimaya branded, and you can usually get them from Coles or Woolies. Now put the bowl on heat and give it a stir. Now add some soy sauce. I was possibly a little bit heavy-handed with the soy sauce, but I was tasting as I went, and I think it turned out alright. Now add some mirin, and some cooking sake. If you want a little bit of sweetness, add a little bit of sugar as well, and stir it through. As you're adding ingredients, make sure to taste it occasionally to make sure you haven't gone overboard. Now leave the broth while waiting for the chicken to cook in the oven. While you wait, enjoy camping. When the chicken's done, take it out of the oven. Now this is optional, but I like to crisp up the chicken in a pan after it's been in the Travel Buddy because sometimes it can be a little bit soggy. After that's done, cook your noodles. When the noodles are good to go, cut up the chicken into strips. Now it's time to serve up. Strain the noodles, put them into a bowl, and then add your broth. After that, add in a few pieces of seaweed. And finally, plate it up with your chicken. It's worth acknowledging that I was planning on originally putting an egg in, as well as some fish cake and some tofu. However, as things go when you're camping, I forgot all about them until after I'd eaten them in. Still tasted good though. Last thing to do is enjoy a delicious lunch. It was a cold winter's day when we were camping and this was the perfect thing for it.
And there you have it, Chicken Katsu Udon, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram @BakedInMyCar.